Guys, you're welcome back to Smile Place. Hello, guys. Yeah. Okay, so Smile TV Plus, be with us, subscribe. Thanks for your comments. In fact, liking us on YouTube and Facebook. Oh my goodness, we love you so much. Let's go. Yeah. So we're going straight into the stream. But look here. Have a view of the waterfall. You see? And down here, families taking photos, making videos. So let's keep descending. Yeah, it looks a bit scary, but we've done even things that are more scarier than this one. You know, they are more scary than this. We've been able to go through it. So I think I'm gonna do this with ease. Yeah. So let's go. They are changing styles. Change your style, holding the weight. Yeah, turning. Woo! Look at the hair. It's insane, man. Wow. You know, there are beautiful stuff happening here in the waterfall in Bali, Indonesia. Open your mind before opening your mouth. Yes, it means think before you talk. Think before you talk. Hello, the motherfucker. What is the meaning of this one? Small but spicy. What is it? I think here you can make a wish. Yeah, that is the wish box over there. You can make a wish. If you really want it. I think these people are from India. Yeah, I think so. Wow. So guys, let's go. See where it is falling. See that? I'm gonna allow you to have the full view of this thing, okay? Of the waterfall. A nice view of the waterfall. Wow. Here looks so slippery. So guys, you have to walk here with caution. Else you will fall and you see yourself in the stream. Yep. So if you don't want to see that, today is your day. You make a wish here. Today is your day. Such a beautiful thing here. Today is your day. Okay. Wow. There are a lot of things here that look so new to me. Love. Just what? Always grateful. Even though being an asshole. What kind of... You didn't really understand what is written here? Come on. It's all about love. Wow. Okay. Sure, I do have it. All right. So let's keep descending. Yeah. I think today's schedule, it's all about the glass bridge, the waterfall, and the ATV ride. Yeah. So guys, let's go. Yeah. There's an incense here. It means this is also a sacred area. Welcome to Blansinga Waterfall. Okay, so guys, this is where I was talking about. You see that beautiful lady over there? So look at where the water falls. It comes from up there, very far, and it falls like that. It's great to see something like this. And I need to tell you that in every second you see beautiful girls around. In every second you see beautiful girls around. Yeah. I think the number of ladies I've seen here are more than number of men that are still alive. Yeah. Wow. There are many things for you to enjoy here in Bali with Smile TV Plus. It's been an amazing day today. Okay. Wow. Over there are some people. Oh guys, you see this wooden bridge? It's a bamboo bridge. And we're gonna walk on the bamboo bridge. It's a bit scary, but oh, okay, bro.
We can walking.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Very much to see you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just walking. Wow, you see me? But here I am.
Yeah.
Wow. Village life.
Hi.
Okay, bro. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
We can follow them.
Okay. All right, my people. That is a walk on the bamboo bridge. Yeah, a walk on the bamboo bridge. You see? You see how we walking on the bamboo bridge? Yeah. There are amazing stuff over here in Bali waterfall. Yeah. Yeah. As I told you, the different people from diverse part of the world. In fact, all the parts of the world here. Wow, that is so nice and very beautiful. All right. So I love Bali. I love you, Mom. Wow. I don't have to live this aloud. I don't have to do this, man. Yeah, let me show you something here. Number one says, I love Bali. I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad. And this one that I'm gonna show you, it's very insane, man. I think no money, no honey. Wow, no money, no honey, and honey. Wow. Okay, guys, let's go. I wanted to show you something, but it went up. It says what? Wine for sale, cash or credit. I love you. I love Sugar Daddy. Come on, kiss my ass. Like we call this video. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. Read it carefully. I can't read, but you read it carefully. Yes, if you know, you know. Okay? If you know, you know. Alright. So let's go up there. Yeah, let's go up there. See? These people are more of tradition. Yeah? Because everywhere you go, you see these kind of things over there. Yeah. Smile TV Plus. We enter it because they want to serve you the best, you know. Wow. Yeah. It's a beautiful thing over here. Walking on the bamboo bridge, the bamboo bridge. Yeah. I believe you love it as the way I must love it here. So guys, be with us. Let's go to the other part of the waterfall. Smile TV Plus. Let's go. See another beautiful lady over there. Wow. You guys, the people of Indonesia are very beautiful. Hello. You're very beautiful, okay?
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Surya.
Surya.
Yes.
I want you to give me an Indonesian name. What name will you give it to me?
Name for you.
Yeah, a name for me. Mhm.
Maybe.
Maybe. Let's go. Maybe.
Wait a moment.
Oh my God.
Indonesian?
Yes.
Indonesian name.
Yeah.
Maybe. Balinese name you want?
Again?
Balinese name?
Balinese name. So what name is that? Give it to me. What name is that?
I will give you name three.
Again?
Three.
Three.
Yeah.
Okay, number one
Three.
is?
Three.
The name is three.
Yeah.
Three.
Yeah.
How do you say three in Indonesian? One is what?
One is Indonesia satu.
Satu.
But three
Three is?
in
Oh my goodness. All right, think about it. I'll come back to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
Wait.
I'm just walking around. What are you doing here?
I just offering everyone for the lift at our restaurant.
Oh, okay. What do you sell? Let me see what you have.
Oh, our menu.
So-
Scan
Oh.
here.
You scan, then you get the menu.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, okay? All right. So guys, I met one of the beautiful ladies in Indonesia, and we had a small talk. So, at this juncture, we are the restaurants. Yeah. So if you want to have some food, you can possibly eat here. Okay. Yeah. And over there is the glass bridge. You see, that is a glass bridge over there. Okay. Yes. So this one too is a restaurant. A very nice experience over here. And wow. I think I love today's adventure. Yeah, I love today's adventure. This is a fountain and it's like a swimming pool. Guys, be with us. We've got many things to show you. Let's go.